YouTube? This is Kersey here with another Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for you. The flooring is 100% complete. My apologies about the presentation of it. It's just a little messed up here based off of the compound. I'm still sanding, some of the soffit light wells areas up here that will give out that diffuse light. And also I'm still sanding this wall here where I have the 90-degree angles on there on both sides. Everything looking flawless as it should. I put the 90-degree angle on the light well here as well. Also, this is the light where you can actually see inside of the light well visually with the camera, but to the naked eye you can't see any of that there. I think that's a nice little feature here. I'm still working on that, and just got to compound it, and I'll apply the first coat to that later throughout the day. I'll apply some compound to this little small area, and also this other area here. Same here, same here. Light work, something small, nothing major. But again, this is another view there of how it looks in transition. There's a little bit of a hierarchy there where some of that diffuse light will show and pop out through there, and give off a nice little presentation. Also moving forward, this is just some of the spotlights that are done. Also, I'm not going to finish up this wall again from last time because I have to put that plumbing vent that's supposed to go all the way up. Also, just the plumbing, for my hot and cold lines will go through this wall here that you see here. Today is actually the first day for the cold service table, but also this flooring was transitioned from the service area all the way out to the driving area. Showing that this is the seasoned wood that I'm using here. Just the flooring planks, and I applied to both. Again, service area, also the driving area is continued all the way through. I didn't stop it. Here I'm just showing how close it came to the wall, and also to the aluminum framing of the body of the truck. Clean, everything's cut. Just take your time. Everything's sharp. And again, just showing those angles here, how close everything is, and we'll finish it off with a nice little corner bead. Everything's looking flawless as it should. The boy's work is on point. So, pretty much today I'm going to be pulling the cold service table into this unit. Until then, I want y'all to enjoy the good life. Kersey signing off.